Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I have got loads of clips of me talking in the van and in the car and moving stock around, but for some reason 3 of the 4 files are corrupted and I don't know why. So I've switched to the DJI Pocket 3 with the Mic Mini DJI, just so it's all synced up together. And what we're doing today, it's Saturday the 28th of December. Hope you all had a fantastic Christmas if you celebrate it. If you didn't, just a fantastic week. And what we've been doing is sending out emails to potential suppliers and brands. Obviously, I'm not expecting many replies over the festive period, as a lot of people are back at work. Probably going to be next Thursday, Friday, and then the Monday, which is when my kids go back to school. So from the 6th of January, we're ready to rock and roll again, which is cool. I'm looking forward to it getting back to normal, although I do love the festive season. Okay, so who are we trying to get in touch with? Well, I'm not going to say in particular who, but you'll already know that we deal with microfiber, built amber, Stiana Dodo Juice, coming on board in the new year. P&S Products, Detail Factory, Rag Company. We've also got a few accessories of our own, just cheaper items that we've purchased from the Far East. I'll just go and grab some. It's not rocket science. I'm not going to sit here and, that's loud, sit here and lie to you and say, oh, well, we had these all manufactured in the thousands for us. Bear with. Right, so you've got generic things like this. I don't know, there's like 250,000 bristles. I think these were actually intended as some kind of tanning or makeup brush. I don't wear makeup, believe it or not. This is all natural. But yeah, these are fantastic tire dressing brushes, like the best I have ever used. We've got, I think, about 400 in black, and I just wanted some of these coloured ones just for aesthetic reasons. They still do the same job. Comes in this little holder. Obviously, you can put it upside down, click it into place, apply your dressing into the brushes, and then obviously it sits on the counter or, you know, the van, and then it's nicely stowed away. I usually wash these out after use. Click them back into place, away you go. We've got them on the website at the moment, which is being built. It is live, but it's nowhere near ready yet. But it helps me for, you know, people to say, website's crap, or you need to do this, need to do that. So I'm uploading products, and people are actually buying on there. We've already turned over something like £3,000 over the Christmas period, and it was expected to be 0 until the end of January. So thanks to the people who have ordered. I've also got hundreds of these. They're like mini clay. I'm not going to open it because it's protected. It's a mini clay block for, you probably wouldn't want to do the whole vehicle, although you can. Some nice clay lube, and away you go. And then just things like this. Karcher quick release with some of these spray nozzles. I got them from a supplier in, I think, Singapore or something like that. And some stuff from Germany, some stuff from Holland. And basically, this is just a little tiny fraction of what accessories we've bought in ourselves. I've also got some extra large twisted loop Korean style drying towels, 90 by 60, something like that. I think I paid like 13 quid each, which is probably expensive, but you know, we can probably knock them out for 16s. 17 is a push. And the idea behind what we're doing is to offer good prices. We're going to be a walk-in store. I've got to order the shelving or shop fitting shelves. I've ordered some, but I need at least another 6 bays and 2 gondolas for the middle. So you can walk in. Oh, and we're having a counter built, obviously. You'll be able to walk in and someone's going to be here 6 days a week, maybe 7. Depending on if we hold events on a Sunday. We're on a business village. There's plenty of footfall. So when we're open and trading, the trade counter, a walk-in retail counter, I think is going to be quite busy. We've got another 16 pallets arriving in January. And that's without the orders that I've got to put in to hopefully, it might be 12 brands from one distributor or 2 distributors. I need to top up on the P&S products when they come back into stock. I need to order another couple of grand's worth from Built Hamber because I missed off some what I think are pretty important products from the original order, because obviously with it being Christmas, it was got to get the order in before the 16th, etc. I've got some more of this kind of stuff coming, just the lower end, budget friendly, mass produced accessories. And obviously we'll put a little markup on. I mean, I think I paid something like £2 each, or no, these were more expensive, £3 each, something like that, because they are small, they're not the larger variant. And we'll put 20% on, just for stocking and advertising costs on stuff like that. And these, like I say, they're under a £5. And these ones actually cost me like £2.97 or something. I don't mind telling you the prices on these. Other stuff, it's a little bit more sensitive because it depends on how much you buy, so it does vary. Whereas these, like, I could sell, I don't know, 50,000 of them in a year and we'd still only make like 40 grand, which is fine, like, that's great. So yeah, cool way of doing it. I'm not sure many people tell you the prices of stuff, because if you put a brand on this, you know, 3D printed plastic and etched in a posh logo, there's plenty of them you can think of. They don't really look like brushes until you get close to them. But these are so good for tyre dressing. I've also used it on, or one of them on plastics. It gets in nice, like it gets into the grooves, as you can see there, look. I've got a couple of different styles, different colours, but these are a winner. So feel free. Like I say, I've got hundreds in stock. I might even do, like, you know, buy 4, get 5. You know, buy 4, get 1 free. So you get 5 for the price of 4, and that'll cost you what, 25 quid for 20 quid for 5 of them. And you only need to spend over 65, 70 quid to get free shipping with me. So feel free. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Just wanted to do a talking head video and just explain where we're at. We've got someone designing a new logo for the socials and the website. And like I say, the website, there's so much more stock to go on there. Like, I've still got 50% of this to go on there. So yeah, plenty of stuff to do. State of this office, look at it. Hang on. Absolutely filthy. Need a new blind for there. So we've put boxes there. Quick show, that's crypto. Doing some trading this morning. Again, that's all got to be cleared. This is where the racking and stuff is going. And then we've got chaos. There doesn't look much there, to be honest, but you've got Built Hamber, P&S, microfibers, drawing tools, P&S, generic microfiber applicators, generic brushes, some testers, some samples, Rag Company Detail Factory, and some bottle hangers. And just through there, that's my own personal new cordless 75mm rupees, HLR 75, is it? Some Corosol just there. That's out there because it stinks. And yeah, it's a case of just working hard to get this place stocked. And I've only been here for a couple of weeks. So I think to get this done by January is going to be a challenge, but it's one that I'm ready to sort of accept and own, if you like. But I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be challenging, but it's also going to be fun. We've got an employee starting in January who's going to do all of the packing, social media, and we're offering local delivery. Orders over £120, I think it is. We can offer same-day delivery if you live or work within 10, 15 miles of the lodge. So if you do live in the Staffordshire and West Midlands area, that might be of interest to you. You've got to order it by 2 o'clock for us to get it to you on the same day, but we have got a van and we've got 2 company vehicles. So, like I say, join this wild ride with us and let's see how we grow together. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.